Water officials will not augment allocation for Metro Manila next month to preserve the remaining supply in Angat Dam. The National Water Resources Board says allocation for domestic use will stay at 41 cubic meters per second, even as concessionaires seek a bigger allotment.
We wanted to increase yung water supply natin sa Angat Dam. Nasa El Nino episode tayo. Andun pa rin yung pangamba natin na by the end of the year wala masyadong pag-ulan. Ang gusto natin makaipon tayo ng sapat na tubig.
David says the allocation is enough to meet Metro Manila's demand for now, as both La Mesa and Ipo dams are helping augment supply. But as El Nino threatens to intensify in the last quarter, stakeholders fear water supply for next year could be compromised. Angat Dam's water levels should reach at least 210 meters by year-end to ensure steady supply next summer when demand peaks. The reservoir is still far from reaching that level.
So hindi tayo pwedeng maging complacent or relaxed. There's going to be way below normal rainfall na aasahan natin pagdating ng October, which may last up to the first quarter of next year.
The last time El Nino hit the country in 2009, Angat Dam's water level dipped to 204 meters or below target level. As a result, some parts of Metro Manila suffered from water shortage in the summer of 2010. Water concessionaire Manila Water says this could happen again.
At the worst case, ito rin naman palaging part ng contingency plan natin at the worst case. Pwedeng ang gagawin natin, babawasan mo yung pressure. Meron pa ring tubig 24 hours a day, but a reduced pressure, just so na everybody may tubig, no?
Even as rains come, consumers are urged to do their part in conserving and using water wisely, as Metro Manila is reliant on only one water source, which is Angat Dam. Cristina Guzman, CNN Philippines.